Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook feed for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets is Facebook feed. You want to click on sign up for free now. When you're here, you want to sign up with Google or Facebook, it's really up to you, or just with normal email. When you will have it, let's just click login. Now here you want to write Facebook, and you're gonna see it here, Facebook feed. Let's create a widget, and now you can choose which widget you want: small, medium, large, Facebook posts. I'm going to leave the normal one, Facebook medium widget. Let's continue with the template. Then you can change layout and more. Now let's just click save, and after that you need to choose a plan. If you're only starting out with your shop, start with a light. But if you're gonna have like a basic version, 5,000 views, or pro version, 50,000 views, choose a pro version or basic. That's just my recommendation. Or go also with all packs, but we will get to it. So yeah, now here let's get HTML code here, and okay, we have it. Expand. Okay, good. Save HTML. Save. And as you can see, we got perfect Facebook feed. And it's quite easy to do. So this is how you can add Facebook feed for your BigCommerce. Also, what I recommend, guys, is, let me show you. Check all the applications here. That if you like some more here, let's remove this one. If you're gonna like more of these, like Twitter feed, you would like to use FAQ or Facebook reviews, G2 crowd, and a lot of them, what you can do is like really simple, really easy. Go with all packs with 15 bucks a month or 30 bucks a month. You can do it. You got like also Facebook live chat or Twitter chat, Pinterest feed, photo gallery, like really a lot of stuff. And that's what I would recommend. So if you're gonna choose like 2 apps or even a free apps, definitely go with the all packs. But if you're gonna choose only one app, go with like basic or pro version. So yeah, this is how you can add Facebook feed for your site in BigCommerce. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.